Hyperliquid is about to start a major token vesting event at the end of November, 29th of November, kicking off the unlocking of approximately 237 million tokens, which is spread across the next 24 months. So it's a 2-year period. But this is a huge influx of new tokens that might seem like a buy opportunity, but here's why I'm staying on the sidelines for now. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner with myself, OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2016. Now, token unlocks happen when previously locked tokens, often held by teams, investors or founders of the project, are released into circulation. Some of these can spike the supply, they can provide a supply shock and trigger volatility. Here's why I'm staying on the sidelines for now. Well, first, such a massive unlock over 2 years means that there will be a constant supply increase flooding the market. This can create sustained selling pressure as early investors and insiders are taking profits, or they just free up tokens for trading. The long unlock timeline indicates that this pressure will not be a one-time event, but a multi-month, possibly even multi-year headwind for price appreciation. Second, while Hyperliquid's DeFi narrative attracts hype, the reality of continuous token unlocks often tempers short-term price gains. Until significant user adoption or protocols or staking incentives soak up the new supply, prices will struggle. And then historically, projects with large vesting unlocks see volatile price action that is marked by recurring dips on unlock days, followed by uncertain recoveries. So I prefer to wait and monitor how the community reacts and whether liquidity remains healthy before entering. Another reason I'm stepping back from hype right now is the loss of momentum that it's facing. While Hyperliquid had a very strong first half of the year, hitting new all-time highs and showing impressive trading volume, recently Aster, a much smaller market cap token, has been gaining serious traction. Because it's newer and smaller, Aster is aggressively pulling liquidity away from hype, capturing much of the spotlight and trading volume in DeFi derivatives. I'm not saying hype is not going to see any further pumps. It absolutely will, especially with upcoming upgrades and ecosystem growth. But in the short term, better performance opportunities exist with tokens like Aster, for instance. So until hype reclaims momentum and shows that it has a sustained demand beyond the unlock pressure, I'm watching from the sidelines. As you know, most tokens see a strong run in the first months of their release. Then once momentum is lost, they go dormant and underperform for quite some time. As a swing trader, I prefer to jump into other tokens to catch higher volatility. So now I'm not buying hype. I wait for clearer signs of demand absorbing the newly unlocked tokens. This is my style of trading. I don't know if it will work for you. You can be a long-term holder or a position trader, and that's alright. I just share with you what I'm doing and what works for me. Hopefully that helps you too. Well, make sure to watch November 29th and 30th closely for volume and price reaction and take action accordingly. And before I leave you guys, a quick reminder to always keep your coins in your own self-custodial storage. I travel right now, I'm in Buenos Aires, and I travel with all of these cold wallets. I have here OneKey Pro, I have OneKey Classic, I have Tangem, I have Bitbox, this is the Tangem Ring as well. There are all kinds of wallets, they come in all kinds of shapes and sizes and everything, so you have plenty to choose from. I have a free PDF where you can see all of the reviews that I've done over the years from all of the different brands and everything. I've reviewed all of the top wallets currently on the market. So you can go through that PDF, download it. The link is in the description below, or you can scan this QR code as well and download this free ebook and just go through the reviews, pick the one that seems to be right for you. It doesn't matter which one. My personal preference right now is for OneKey Pro, but I also like the OneKey Classic. I like the Tangem. All of the wallets right now are really secure and everything, so it really comes down to price and size and format, whichever you like, it's up to you. But definitely guys, make sure that even if you hold just $1,000 in crypto, put it in a cold wallet, self-custodial cold wallet, because Custodial wallets have the right to freeze your account. They can force you to go through all kinds of identification and proof of ownership and proof of purchase and all of these things, and make it difficult for you. I know people, I have customers who actually use my services to help them with these things. So I know a lot of terrible stories that happen to people with even Coinbase, you know, such a big wallet provider. They can freeze your account for months and months. One of my actually clients is still dealing with them after a year, and he cannot get access to his accounts because they're frozen. So definitely, guys, make sure to keep your coins in a cold wallet, not to mention all the hacks. I mean, many people are keeping their coins on exchanges, but if you're not trading these coins this week or next week, then move them out of the exchange, put them in your cold wallet, and then when you need to trade them again, bring them back in. The fees are not that high. You better pay, you know, $1 or $2 fee for the transfer than just risking your coins getting stolen from a hack or anything like that. So this is everything. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. And while you're here, just pick another one and I'm gonna see you there.